In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings app. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Here you're going to find various options you can customize. If the microphone option is disabled, that's likely the cause of your problem because WhatsApp won't have access to the microphone. Simply enable the microphone switch and that should solve the issue with sending voice messages. Next up, head back to the main page of settings, scroll all the way up, click on the option Bluetooth. Make sure you don't have any Bluetooth headphones or speakers connected. If they are, the voice message might be playing through the Bluetooth device, which is why you can't hear it. Turn off Bluetooth temporarily, restart WhatsApp and see if that fixes the problem. The last solution is clear cache for the app. So go to General, then iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now click on Upload app, confirm it, wait for a few seconds and then reinstall it. This action clears bugs, glitches, and unnecessary files that might be causing issues with voice messages. And that's it. One of these solutions should definitely fix your issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.